Jeremy Kemper with Plant 115. So today, our JFI is a solution for all these discarded half-empty bottles of spray adhesive that I'm finding around the plant. Now, all of our packing departments use this to adhere the labels to our boxes. I just took a little stroll around the plant just now, and we have 2 empties, 3 that are about 1/3 full. This one's pretty much all the way full, and that one's pretty much all the way full, and that one's pretty much all the way full. These are about $15 a piece. So I purchased a bunch of replacement tips for these. The issue is our teammates are throwing them out once the tip gets clogged up. So I bought a bunch of tips, and I'm giving them to all the packers, and replaced the tip. And we can reuse the rest of the bottle.